Hello and welcome, my dear followers. Today I've got a delicious and easy recipe for you. Chocolate cake that no one can resist, whether young or old. Chocolate cake is always a favourite at any gathering. And today I'm going to share my special way of making it using simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our new recipes. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the basic ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Put all these ingredients into a large bowl and mix them well using a hand whisk or a large spoon. It's important to mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients combine well, giving us a cake that's both soft and firm. Now gradually add 2 cups of milk while continuing to stir, followed by ½ cup of oil and mix again. If you have an electric mixer, use it to ensure the batter is smooth and lump-free. The better we mix the ingredients, the better the final result will be. Once we have a smooth and consistent batter, set it aside and prepare the cake pan. Next, take a cake pan, grease it with a little butter, or dust it with some flour to prevent the cake from sticking. Pour the batter into the pan evenly, making sure there are no air bubbles so the cake doesn't crack while baking. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and place the pan in the center of the oven. Let the cake bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. You can keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn, and check if it's done by inserting a knife or a wooden skewer into the center. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Once you take the cake out of the oven, let it cool completely. Don't rush this step, because we're going to add a chocolate sauce on top. To make the sauce, melt some dark chocolate with milk and sugar over low heat, stirring until it's smooth and shiny. Pour the sauce gently and evenly over the cake, making sure it covers all sides to give it a beautiful look and an extra layer of flavour. The decoration is optional, but if you want to add a special touch, you can use roasted nuts, grated chocolate, or even whipped cream. If you're a fruit lover, you can top it with strawberry or berry slices. These little touches make the cake look great and taste even better. Finally, a tip to keep your cake looking and tasting fresh. Store it in a cool, dark place. If you need to keep it for longer, cover it tightly or wrap it in aluminum foil to prevent it from drying out. And that brings us to the end of today's recipe. I hope you like it. If you try it, don't forget to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our new recipes. Stay safe and take care.